Hi, Lim Tianyi here. Okay, and we've just finished the renovation of our house. And while during the renovation, we've been looking online, offline, looking for good, reliable, reputable companies, okay, that does curtains. Okay, and finally we came across Drape Studio, and we're really attracted by the quality and the quantity, okay, and the quantity of designs that they have. Okay, we're really looking for one that suits the whole theme, okay, of the house. And at Drape Studio, we found this really beautiful set of curtains, okay, with very nice color that fits our floor, our ceiling, our carpentry, cupboard, and all these things. And the good thing about this curtain is they have in stock, okay, two sets. Okay, one is the day curtain and the night curtain. So if you want some daylight, okay, and not all the daylight, you can use this daylight curtain. And at night, okay, while you're sleeping, if you don't want to be woken up, okay, by the sunlight, okay, you can use these two curtains together at the same time. And this is very, very high quality material. Okay, even if I try to crumple it, okay, and it doesn't look crumpled at all. Okay, most curtains, most materials, once you crunch it, okay, it looks very, very crumpled, but this doesn't. Okay, and the outer layer, okay, the night curtain has got two layers as well. Okay, there's the front and the back layer. So at the back layer, not only does it provide a second layer of protection and covering, okay, of the sunlight, but it also prevents the decolorization, okay, of the front side, okay, the most beautiful side of the curtain. Okay, so really high quality, really like this feel, like this material. Okay, so if you're looking to replace your curtains, to change it, okay, or to bless somebody for their house renovations, okay, highly recommend you guys check out Drape Studios, okay, and and choose from their wide range of curtains that definitely can suit your taste, okay, and your beautiful house. Okay, thanks and see you.